Giving all praise, honor, and glory to the Most High, welcome back to Elicore. Today I'm going to talk about the ancient herb called Boldo and some of its excellent benefits for your liver. So previously on my channel, I have spoken about the importance of your colon and why it is essential to always be cleansing the colon, as every organ or gland in your body corresponds to your colon. The hepatic flexure on the colon corresponds to your liver. So if you are making sure to keep your colon cleansed at all times, you are in essence making sure that all of your other organs and glands are functioning in the proper manner so that they too are routinely being kept cleansed. Believe it or not, this is one of the major aspects to achieving optimal levels of health and quality of life. As a quick review, I wanted to go over the eliminatory channels of the body. The skin, kidneys, colon, lungs, and uterus for women are what I call the external channels of waste elimination, while the lymphatic system and liver are the internal channels of waste elimination. The liver is responsible for the health of your skin, hair, and nails, and you can tell a lot about a person's health just based on the appearance of those areas of the body. Do keep in mind that when you are in any type of health regimen and you are performing the regimen in the correct manner, what needs to come out of your body does not just come out in the form of sweat. It comes out through the pores of your skin as oil, debris, and even small amounts of fat. So a person might display blemishes or pimples, sometimes even a rash on their skin, mainly on the face and on the back torso, because the body is literally purging out waste in any way that it can. You can even develop a cold, headache, or fever while you are on your health journey, which is a good sign that your body is responding well to the treatment that it is receiving. In the field of holistic herbal health and wellness, we want the body to respond to the treatment that it is being given and not react. There is a difference between a response versus a reaction. Herbs are what give intelligence to your organs. Your body houses an entire organization of organs, and order is the manner in which your organs must operate. For instance, cholesterol is a sterol or lipid that makes hormones and is found in the blood and brain, which is produced by your liver. The liver is able to convert fat solubles into water solubles to prevent protein from collecting in your urine, which can damage your kidneys. The adrenal glands that sit above your kidneys send signals to the liver to release wet sugar back into the blood if your sugar levels become low. This is why the liver stores glycogen. About 200 grams of this sugar is also stored in muscle tissue. So yes, exercise is vital for health. If there are inadequate amounts of carbs or sugar in your diet, your body will start to convert your fats and proteins into carbs. Fat-soluble vitamins and bile salts or acids are needed to help you produce a proper bowel movement. When managing your health holistically, think of your organs as if they are parts of earth. The lungs are considered a metal organ, and the liver is considered a wood organ. So if you understand that metal is able to cut through wood, then you must also understand that anything that damages your lungs will in turn damage your liver. So now that I have given you a brief overview about the function of the liver, let's talk about Boldo. Boldo is native to Chile and Peru and has volatile oils and flavonoids, and it contains about 17 different alkaloids. The plant is an evergreen shrub or tree that grows to about 20 feet, and the leaves are the medicinal aspects of the plant. It stimulates liver activity and bile flow and is chiefly valued as a remedy for gallstones and liver or gallbladder pain. It is normally taken for a few weeks at a time, either as a tincture or as an herbal infusion, such as tea. It can also be used as a mild urinary antiseptic and may even be taken for infections such as cystitis. This herb is extremely powerful and should not be consumed while pregnant. My experience with using Boldo is that it provides such a calming and grounding sensation after consumption. It can help with sleep, it's able to calm the nerves, and you guessed it, of course, it helps to facilitate proper bowel movements. Thank you for tuning in for this health nugget. Stay tuned for more videos like this.